I will now present to you the beautiful nature of the Netherlands. The beautiful nature that our Dutch Green Party, GroenLinks, wants to protect. We have a bunch of trees. We also have grass. The most beautiful beach you have ever seen. Juice. A nice lake. These waters are rich with plastic. A beautiful road right next to a bunch of shrubberies. Quite a breathtaking sight indeed. We also have trash cans meant to enhance the experience in nature even further. Here is a demonstration of how they work. I love modern technology. Thanks for watching. I hope this video convinced you of the righteousness of GroenLinks' cause, because this nature in the Netherlands is absolutely worth preserving and protecting, and totally not doomed. It's not like we already killed nature in this country many years ago. Trust me, everything is fine. GroenLinks is going to fix all our problems.